Hello students, Standard 9, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 17, Natural Vegetation. Vegetation is an important part of human life. यानी human life के लिए vegetation is an important part. It is difficult to imagine life without vegetation. Its importance has been accepted by our ancient scriptures. यानी vegetation का importance बताया गया है हमारे ancient scriptures के अंदर, and even modern science has accepted the importance of the vegetation. India has a large diversity that is difference of natural vegetation. In terms of vegetation diversity, India holds 10th position in the world and 4th in Asia. A forest is a group of trees and those trees which grow in natural condition. यानी forest एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ group of trees पाए जाते हैं जो natural condition के अंदर grow होते हैं without human help are called forest. Next topic, natural vegetation. The diversity in natural vegetation of India is created due to the following reasons. First one is relief features, which includes different landforms. Second one is soil. Third one is temperature. Fourth one is insolation, that is sunshine or sunlight we can say. Fifth one is rainfall. Sixth one is humidity. Due to the diversified relief like mountains, plateaus, plains, desert, etc., a diverse pattern in vegetation is seen in India. यानी हमारे इंडिया के अंदर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स के लैंड फॉर्म पाए जाते हैं, जैसे कि माउंटेन्स है, प्लेटूज है, प्लेन है, डेजर्ट है, और इसकी वजह से ही वेजिटेशन के अंदर हम डाइवर्स पैटर्न देखने को मिलती है. There are different soils, example alluvial, black, mountain, desert type, etc. in India. These variation in soil also creates differences in vegetation. यानी जिस जगह के ऊपर जिस टाइप की सॉइल फाउंड होती है उसकी वजह से भी हमें वेजिटेशंस के अंदर डिफरेंसेस देखने को मिलती है. The difference in temperature and humidity in cold Himalayan regions and in southern peninsular region also brings variation in vegetation. The insolation ओवर एनी प्लेस डिपेंड्स ऑन इट्स लैटिट्यूड एंड एल्टीट्यूड. यानी कोई भी प्लेस के ऊपर जो सन लाइट फॉल होती है वो डिपेंड होती है लैटिट्यूड और एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. वेजिटेशन ग्रोज फास्टर वेयर देयर इज मोर रेन एंड इंसोलेशन. दस देयर इज अ डाइवर्सिटी इन वेजिटेशन ड्यू टू सनशाइन. रेनफॉल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इन इंडिया इज़ ऑल्सो अनइक्वल. यानी हमारे कंट्री के अंदर जो रेनफॉल होता है वो भी काफ़ी अनइक्वल रहता है, विच इन टर्न कॉजेज डाइवर्सिटी इन वेजिटेशन, जिसकी वजह से भी हमें वेजिटेशन के अंदर डाइवर्सिटी देखने को मिलती है. देर आर अबाउट 5000 वेराइटीज़ ऑफ ट्रीज इन इंडिया, आउट ऑफ विच 450 trees are used full commercially, means which is used in business. Besides, about 15,000 flowering plants also grow, which form about 6% of the world. Non-flowering plants like fern, algae, moss, etc. are also found in our country. India is famous since ancient times for the herbal plants. About 2000 medicinal plants are described in Ayurveda. यानी हमारे आयुर्वेदा के अंदर approximately 2000 medicinal plants का description दिया गया है. Thus, it can be said that India has a diversity in vegetation. Next topic, types of natural vegetation. Existence and growth of any vegetation depends on the climate of a region. यानी अगर हम वेजिटेशन के ग्रोथ और एग्जिस्टेंस की बात करते हैं तो वो डिपेंड होता है ऑन द क्लाइमेट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन. इन द रीजन्स ऑफ आइडेंटिकल क्लाइमेट, यानी जहाँ एक तरह का क्लाइमेट होता है, द वेजिटेशन सीन इज़ मोस्टली आइडेंटिकल. तो उस जगह के ऊपर जो वेजिटेशन ग्रो होती है वो आइडेंटिकल यानी एक समान होती है. रीजन्स ऑफ सच इकोलॉजिकल सिमिलरिटीज आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल वेजिटेशन रीजन्स. On the basis of altitude, soils, rainfall and variation in temperature, the natural vegetation regions can be divided into 5 types. First one, tropical rainforest. Second one, tropical deciduous forest. Third one, tropical desert vegetation. Fourth one, temperate forest and grasslands. Fifth one, mangrove, tidal forest. From that, first one is tropical rainforest. Distribution. Tropical rainforests are found in hot and humid regions where annual rainfall exceeds 200 centimeter and temperature is more than 22 degrees Celsius. यानी ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट पाए जाते हैं हॉट और ह्यूमिड रीजन्स में जहां सालाना बारिश 200 सेंटीमीटर से ज़्यादा होती है और जहां का टेम्परेचर 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस से भी ज़्यादा होता है. सच फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन एरियाज ऑफ हैवी रेनफॉल ऑफ वेस्टर्न घाट्स, लक्षद्वीप, अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड्स, अपर रीजन्स ऑफ आसाम, कोस्टल तमिलनाडु. Trees. Trees found here are mahogany, ebony, rosewood, rubber, etc. Characteristics. Trees here are about 60-meter tall or even more. There is more humidity due to scrubs. There is no season here like autumn as these trees are evergreen यानी ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट के अंदर ऑटम जैसी कोई सीज़न नहीं होती और उसकी वजह से वो जो ट्रीज़ होते हैं वो एवरग्रीन होते हैं. एज दीज ट्रीज आर एवरग्रीन द फॉरेस्ट आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट. Now on page number 132 you can see the map of India is given to you with a scale in different colors which represent different forests found in our country. If we talk about Gujarat, then we can see generally thorny forest is there. Figure 17.1 India natural vegetation. Second one, tropical deciduous forest. Distribution. Generally, such forests are found in the regions receiving about 70 to 200 centimeter rainfall. यानी ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ 70 to 200 centimeter rainfall होती है, we can find tropical deciduous forest there. Such forests are found in northeastern state, Himalayan foothills, western Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, eastern place of eastern slopes of eastern Ghats, Vindhya and Satpura ranges. There is a large proportion of these forests in India. यानी इंडिया के अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा tropical deciduous forests are found. Trees. Major trees found here are teak, sal, sesame, sandalwood, khet, that is acacia, bower, kechu, bamboo, etc. Characteristics. A major characteristics of a tree here is that the trees shed their leaves for 6 to 8 weeks during autumn. यानी जब autumn की सीज़न होती है तब इस फॉरेस्ट के जो ट्रीज होते हैं वो 6 to 8 वीक्स तक अपने लीव्स को शेड करते हैं. Every species has a different time to shed the leaves, so all the trees are never without leaves during any particular season. As these trees shed their leaves according to seasons, these are also called monsoon forest. Third one, that is thorny vegetation. Distribution. Generally, such forests are found in the regions receiving less than 70 centimeter of rainfall. These are found in northwestern regions, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Trees, jujube, acacia, cactus, khijdo, etc. are common trees which are found in these forests. Characteristics. The root of the trees and plants here are long, deep and widespread यानी फैले हुए होते हैं. Leaves are shorter which result in slower evapotranspiration process. यानी जो leaves होते हैं वो काफ़ी short रहते हैं जिसकी वजह से evapotranspiration process means loss of water काफ़ी कम रहता है. Now fourth one is temperate forest and grasslands. Himalayan vegetation. Here a table is given in which height, aerial span means area is given, forest and trees are given. 1000 to 2000 meters of Himalayan area, that is high mountains of northeast, West Bengal and mountainous areas of Uttarakhand. Forest, that is tropical forest are found there and trees, oak and chestnut are the major vegetation. Height with 1500 to 3000 meters of Himalayas, that is near southern slopes of Himalayas, higher areas of south and northeast. Forest is coniferous forest are there. Trees included are pine, deodar, silver, fir and spruce. 3600 meters and more of Himalayas. Higher altitude means at a height in Himalayas and near snow line means snow covered areas. Forest, that is alpine and short grass, we can say there is a tundra vegetation is found there, and trees included are silver, fir and juniper birch. A major characteristics of the coniferous forest is that the trees have conical shape, यानी जो trees होते हैं coniferous forest में उनका जो shape होता है वो conical यानी cone के जैसा होता है. Their branches lean towards the surface so that the snow would easily slide down towards the land. यानी उनके जो branches होते हैं वो झुके हुए होते हैं towards the surface, जिसकी वजह से जब snowfall होता है तो snow easily slide हो जाता है towards the land. Tree leaves are long, pointed and sticky, which can conserve, that is maintain humidity for longer time. Fifth one is tidal forest, that is mangroves. Distribution. Tidal forests are located in the delta regions of rivers along the coastal areas. These forests are found along Gujarat coast and in the marshy, that is wetlands along the Bay of Bengal coast. Trees, that is Sundari and Cher, are found in mangrove forest. Now next one is फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड देयर यूटिलिटी, यानी फॉरेस्ट में से कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं और उनके यूजेस क्या है. फॉरेस्ट आर यूजफुल टू मैनकाइंड इन मैनी वेज. टिम्बर वुड फ्रॉम टीक एंड साल इज यूज फॉर फर्नीचर मेकिंग, यानी जो वुड मिलता है हमें टीक और साल में से, दैट वुड इज यूज फॉर मेकिंग फर्नीचर्स. Boats are prepared from the wood of Sundari trees of Sundarban. Sports goods and packing boxes are prepared from the wood of pine and chee trees. Turpentine is prepared from the liquid of chee trees, which is used in painting. Sandalwood is used to prepare perfume oil, cosmetics, etc. Basket, toys, goods of home decoration, etc. are made from the bamboo trees. Forest also provide lac, that is a sealing wax. Resin means it is a kind of a sticky substance which is obtained from fir and pine trees, gum, rubber, honey, cane, etc. Amla, बहेड़ा, हरडे, अश्वगंधा एसेट्रा होल्ड मेडिसिनल यूटिलिटी, यानी ये सारी चीज़ों का मेडिसिनल यूज भी होता है. नाउ वन टेबल इज गिवन टू अस इन दैट मेडिसिनल यूटिलिटी मेडिसिनल यूज ऑफ वेजिटेशन इज मेंशन with the name of vegetation. First one is Sharpagandha, it is used in high blood pressure. Second one is Limdo as a bacterial resistance, जिससे कि बैक्टीरिया दूर रहते हैं. तुलसी कोल्ड कफ एंड फीवर के लिए यूज़ होता है. अर्जुन सडर, इट इज़ यूज फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ हार्ट ailments, यानी related to heart problems. Billy, it is useful for gas and cough impurities. Galo, that is used for diabetes, fever, joint pain. Herde, constipation, hair diseases. Amla cures gas, acidity, digestive problems. Karanj, it is used for skin and dental gum diseases. Besides, इसके अलावा लीफ प्लेट्स फ्रॉम खाखरा लीव्स, कैच्यू from kher trees, bidi from timru leaves are also prepared. Forests provide livelihood and food to forest dwellers, यानी forest livelihood provide करता है and food भी provide करता है to the people who lives in forest. These way forest contribute into the social and economic development of mankind. Now next topic is environmental importance of forest. The environmental importance of forest is as follows. Forests are useful to bring rain. They control the atmosphere from becoming adverse, that is harmful. They provide life-saving oxygen. Forest controls the floods. They absorb harmful gases like carbon dioxide. Forest prevents soil erosion. Forest maintains groundwater level. Forest restrict यानी stops the advancing deserts. Forests are useful in reducing air pollution. Forest enhance, that is increases the natural beauty. Forest purify the air. Provide natural habitat to the wildlife, यानी जो wild animals होते हैं उनको रहने की जगह provide करते हैं forest. Forest are ideal places for adventurous tourism activities के लिए. Some forests are reserved with reference to national park and sanctuaries and biodiversities, यानी जो कुछ फॉरेस्ट है उनको रेफरेंस यानी नाम दिया गया है एज अ नेशनल पार्क, सेंचुरीज एंड बायोडाइवर्सिटी. नाउ फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन. Ecosystem is formed due to the interrelation of biosphere and mankind, but due to the anti-environmental activities and selfishness of man, the ecosystem is disturbed. Man's insatiable, that is eager desire to procure, that is obtain land, is responsible for the destructions of forest. Forests are destroyed also due to increasing population. पॉलिसी ऑफ एस्टैब्लिशिंग इंडस्ट्रियल यूनिट्स यानी फैक्ट्रीज को एस्टैब्लिशिंग करने की पॉलिसी है अवे फ्रॉम द रेजिडेंशियल एरिया की वजह से, अर्बनाइजेशन की वजह से, मल्टीपर्पज़ प्रोजेक्ट्स की वजह से, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रोड्स, ड्यू टू जूम कल्टिवेशन ऑल्सो टू गेट टिम्बर मीन्स दैट इज वुड एंड फ्यूल वुड, फॉरेस्ट फायर एसेट्रा. Ecological balance is disrupted means which is disturbed due to the destruction of forest. Adverse, that is harmful effects are noticed due to forest destruction. These includes उसके अंदर है decrease in rainfall, drought, global warming, greenhouse effects, advancing deserts, shelterlessness of wild animals यानी जो wild animals होते हैं उनको रहने की जगह नहीं मिलती when there is a destruction of forest, etc. According to the national policy of 1952, there must be forest over 33% of the total geographical area of the nation. In India, forests are spread over about 23% area, while forests occupy only 10% of land in Gujarat. Thus, it is necessary to prevent destruction of forest, and so protection and conservation of forest is necessary. Like to know, in Gujarat, white khakro, Google, Nilsoti, Sesam, Amli, Atak, Herde, etc. are placed in red data book of IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature. Means all these vegetation is on verge of यानी लुप्त होने की कगार के ऊपर है, इसलिए they are placed in red book extinction category. Remedies to conserve forest. In order to protect and conserve forest, the government of India implemented यानी लागू किया गया है by the government of India a national forest policy in year 1952. In 1980, the Parliament passed Legislative Act यानी कायदा पास किया गया है by the Parliament in 1980, and in 1988 a new national policy was announced. Following steps should be taken to preserve forest यानी forest को preserve करने के लिए which steps can be taken. In that first one, forests are our nation's resource. Take it as our moral duty to protect them. यानी जो forest है वो हमारे नेशन के रिसोर्स है और वो हमारी मॉरल ड्यूटी है कि हमें फॉरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए. ट्रीज, सेकेंड वन, ट्रीज फेलिंग शुड बी स्टॉप. Heavy punishment must be inflicted means be given to those who cut trees illegally. To increase public participation in Van Mahotsav and social forestry, trees must be planted on either sides of wasteland, river, railway tracks and roads and raise them. Fourth one, create awareness about environment through environmental education यानी environment के awareness को create करना चाहिए थ्रू एनवायरमेंटल एजुकेशन से, और स्कूल सिलेबस के अंदर भी उनके रिलेटेड चैप्टर होने चाहिए. एंड स्कूल सिलेबस सेलिब्रेट एनवायरमेंट रिलेटेड डेज ऑल्सो. Now here a table is given to us. Like to know, here some days are given which is related to environment. Environment related days, in that first one is 21st March, that is celebrated as World Forest Day. 22nd April, World Earth Day. 5th June, World Environment Day. July month, any one day celebrated as Van Mahotsav, and 16th September is celebrated as World Ozone Day. Fifth point, टेक प्रिकॉशंस टू अवॉइड फॉरेस्ट फायर. हमें प्रिकॉशंस लेनी चाहिए जिससे कि फॉरेस्ट फायर ना हो. एंड इन केस ऑफ फायर, अगर फायर होती है तो इट मस्ट बी डाउस, तो बुझाई जानी चाहिए उस फॉरेस्ट फायर को इमीडिएटली। use renewable energy resources such as solar energy, bioenergy, wind energy, etc. in place of traditional resources like wood, which is used to get energy. Seventh one, explain the importance of forest to people through broadcasting media, यानी people को importance बतानी चाहिए थ्रू ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मीडिया से, एंड ब्रिंग पब्लिक अवेयरनेस अबाउट इट, यानी लोगों के अंदर जागरूकता भी लानी चाहिए अबाउट द एनवायरमेंट। लाइक टू नो, the year 2011 was declared as World Forest Year in order to bring global awareness. Social forestry का मतलब होता है to manage forest, to conserve forest and plant trees to help environment, society and rural development. FRI, Forest Research Institute, which is located at Dehradun, undertakes forest related research, यानी जितनी भी forest के related जो research होती है वो FRI conduct करता है। Thank you.